Are you ready to see what you can create in Miro using just the pen tool? In this video, I'll take you on a time-lapse journey as I create a Baby Yoda on a Miro board, using only the pen tool. You'll see every stroke of the pen as this adorable character comes to life before your eyes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the Facilitainer for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, keep creating.